Hi everyone. Nowadays we are bombarded with endless news and releases of AI tools and applications. It seems like new AI models and tools are popping up every single day, literally like mushrooms after rain. With all this noise, it became incredibly difficult to understand how AI can actually be used in a consistent and profitable way for real businesses. That's why I created this series to cut through the noise and show you exactly how small and medium businesses are using AI and automation right now. Not in theory, but in their day to day operations. Being myself a professional in development for 20 years and using AI technologies for my clients as well, the purpose of this series is to go beyond the AI hype and show you real world implementations of AI and automation. I'll be covering these 12 industries where AI is already making a major impact. To keep things practical and not too info-packed, I'm breaking these industries into separate videos, each covering 3 related sectors. The videos will follow a presentation style approach to give you a concise and simple view. Today we're starting with wedding services, hospitality, and entertainment. So let's start with something more fun, the wedding services. We all know weddings can be fun, well, at least for the guests. Not so much for the newlyweds and the organizers. Let's see how AI makes their lives easier. Outbound attendee confirmation. The AI voice agent will call the list of attendees and confirm their attendance and also gather information such as dietary restriction and other criteria. Outbound warm lead conversion. The AI agent will call a list of leads that had previously contacted the organization but didn't book a reservation in an attempt to convert. Recommendation system will take the list of attendees plus their information extracted from the outbound attendee agent along with the information about the food and beverage partners and recommend food and beverage. Provide real-time updates and reminders. Both participants and organizers receive important updates via SMS, voice call, email, or WhatsApp. As per their preferences, the newlyweds can get personalized venue and vendor options. Organizers can benefit from vendor management. Based on the newlyweds' desires, get appropriate lists of vendors. Automated communication and organization. Send reminders for payments, confirmation, and deadlines, ensuring that no important tasks are overlooked. Conflict detection and resolution. Identify potential scheduling conflicts before they escalate into issues. Budget management. Monitor expenses related to vendor services, providing alerts when budgets are nearing limits or suggesting cost-saving alternatives. Now let's switch to the hospitality sector. Automate routine tasks like check-ins and answering common questions for both guests and staff. Here AI answers to the clients on platforms like Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, Slack, or website to answer the most common guests' demands. These chatbots can confirm bookings, provide information about the hotel, and answer frequently asked questions. Automate easy tasks like email responses, booking confirmations, and check-in check-out processes, giving staff more time for meaningful in-person interactions. Automate reviews. Leverage AI to collect and analyze guests' feedback in real time, allowing you to address issues instantly. Restaurant order management with chatbots. Customers can ask FAQs about the restaurant and the menu. They can place orders, pay online, and order for takeout. Remote hotel room control. Guests can personalize their experience from mobile apps. They can set the room temperature, the lighting, and even select TV channels and curtain setup before they arrive. This personalization is powered by AI, which will learn the guest's preferences over time. This way, everything can be already set up in advance for the next stay. Staff receive guest requests instantly throughout the system, allowing for quicker service. Operations optimizations. AI optimizes staff shifts depending on predicted occupancy and guests' needs. This way, they are sure to have the right number of staff at the right times. No more overstaffing or understaffing. AI-powered virtual concierge. Answer questions about hotel services, local attractions, and dining options. Dynamic pricing. AI algorithms adjust room rates in real time based on factors like demand, local events, and booking patterns. Personalized offers. AI analyzes data from its loyalty program. This allows hotels to send personalized offers and recommendations to members based on their preferences and past behaviors, enhancing guest satisfaction and loyalty. Inventory management. AI predicts food and beverage consumption, optimizes inventory levels, and reduces waste. This ensures that popular items are always in stock while minimizing spoilage, allowing staff to focus on service quality. Multilingual support. Hotels use AI-powered robots and translation devices to communicate with guests in multiple languages. Simpler and faster access. AI-powered facial recognition systems handle secure and efficient check-ins. Guests can also bypass traditional keycard access. Now let's switch to entertainment. We have here automated booking management system. A dive center that was previously using a manual booking system implemented AI and reduced to zero the double bookings and missed schedules and turned satisfied customers into happy ones. Handle last-minute cancellations by filling spots from its maintained waiting list of eager divers, keeping the cash flow steady. Optimize peak time and suggest dynamic pricing strategies. Using machine learning, the system can predict when the demand is rising and suggests a higher price. For divers not getting a slot at peak times, AI will collect their demands and recommend on the spot new slots. And that's it for this video. If you are curious about how AI can help your business, book a free consultation with me to explore tailored solutions. Once the other videos from the series are done, I'll update the description and put a link on this screen to the next video. I go into more details on strategies and tools businesses use to implement AI in my newsletter. Link below. I'll see you in the next one.